this video we are going to learn about chaining map operations in Java 8. So we have already seen about the map function. In this video we will combine multiple map operations. So here we have a list of string type, okay, and inside this list I have the values Alice, Bob and Charlie, and we have printed that particular list. So you can observe one thing here. I have provided some space here, so I have added some space here ahead of Alice and after Bob also. So we are getting those particular values here. This is my list. Now what I want to do, I want to create a new list, and this list will remove the space, and also we will have all the characters in uppercase. How to do this? So we will have one more list here. So I will say list will be of type string, and let's say updated or updated names. This is my list name here, updated names. So we need to make use of stream here. So how to create a stream? Using the name of our collection. So name of collection is here names. Then we can make use of stream method. And once we have a stream, we can make use of map. So I can say a map. So what this particular map will do, it will return as a stream as per the logic we provide inside the function. So what we will do, we will have one variable here s, then the arrow token. So we are using here a lambda expression. So this s will take each element at a time. So first time it will take the value here Alice with this space, and what we want to do, we want to remove the space here. So what we can say here, s dot trim. Trim is a method here, so this will remove the empty spaces, right? So we can make use of this particular method s dot trim. So this particular statement will return as a stream, right? And we are storing that in our list. So we need to convert this stream to a list. So how to convert it? So we need to make use of collect method here. So we need to say collect. Then inside collect we need to say collectors dot to list. So this will convert it to a list. Now there is no error, right? So we can print our updated names list here. So I will copy this statement, paste it here. Now let's run this code. So see, we have removed the empty spaces here. So all the empty spaces are gone now, right? So we have Alice here, which was having the empty space. Now we just have the Alice without empty space. Also here for Bob, we had the empty space. Now there is no empty space. So we have made use of one map function. Now we want to convert all the characters to uppercase also. So how we can do this? So here we can make use of another map function. So I can say a dot map, and inside this map again I can say s. We will take each value, then provide a arrow token, and then we will convert it to uppercase. So I can say a to uppercase. Now I will save this code and run now. So see, now we have removed the empty spaces also, and also all characters are in uppercase. So basically we have changed the map operation. We had made use of multiple map operations here. Now instead of lambda expression, you can also make use of method reference. So instead of providing a lambda expression, what we can do, we can provide the class name, which is string, and then we can refer to the method called trim here. So I can directly say trim. Again, same thing I can do here. I can say a string and then the method reference to uppercase method. So I can say here to uppercase. Now if I run this code, we will get the same output. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting the same output. Now we can provide another map function. So what this map function will do, let me show you that also. So I can provide here another map, and what I want to do, I want to return the length of each value here. Let's say for example, Alice the length is 5, right? Because there are 5 characters. So what I can do here, I will take each value, so that will be stored inside s, then provide the arrow token, and what I want to return, I want to return the length of it. So s dot length. Now there will be error because now this map, what it will do, it will return as the length. So basically it is returning the integer, and we have said here we are working with the string data type, so we don't want that. Now we will work with the integer now. So once we provide integer, the error is resolved. And if I run this code now, so see, Alice is having 5 characters, so we are getting here 5. Bob is having 3 characters, we are getting here 3. Charlie is having 7, so we are getting here 7. But if I remove this trim part, okay, so what will happen? Let's see that. What was our length? when we were using trim 5, 3 and 7. Notice the difference here. Once we have removed trim, we are getting a 6, 4 and 7 because now we are not using trim. So it will count the empty space also. So that's why the length of alias is now 6 because there are 6 characters here, right? Once I provide here a trim, so it will remove the trim characters, then it will convert to uppercase, and on the latest values, it will provide us the length. If I run this code now, so we will get 5, 3 and 7. Here also we can make use of method reference. I can directly say a class name string, then the method reference to the length method. So I can say a length, we will get the same output. Yes, we are getting here same output 5, 3 and 7. So in this way you can chain multiple map operations. Now we will take one more example, and that we will take with the integer list. Let me remove this part. So I will take a list of integer. So I will say here integer. Name is L1. This is my list L1. Let's store a values inside is arrays dot as list. And let's store some values here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my 4 values inside my list. Let me print that list here, sys out L1. And now what I want to do, I want to create another list. Let's create another list here. List will also be of type integer. Let's say this is my L2 list. And now with the help of L1 dot stream, I will take here a map. I will first multiply the list with a 2 here. So each character I will take. So let's say I take here n, then the arrow token, multiply it with 2. Now what will happen? Each number will be multiplied by 2 and this will return as a string, right? But we don't want it in a stream. We want to convert it to a list. So I will say here collect collectors dot to list. I will say here to list. Now this has been converted to our list. I will print here sys out L2 out L2. Save this code and run now. So see, now each number has been multiplied by 2 now. Now we can chain multiple map operations. So once we get the result here, what we can do, we can say here map, and then we can provide another function here, and we will do square of it. So whatever number we have, we will square it. So I will multiply it with itself. Now let's check what result we get. Now this is our original list, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what will happen? For the first time, we will have the value of n as 1. So it will first multiply it with 2. Now n is 2, and then it will take 2 and it will square it. So n into n, then we will get a 2 into 2, 4. Next time we have the value 2. So then it will first multiply it with 2. So multiply it with 2, we will get 4, and then it will square it. 4 into 4, 16. So in this way, in the order in which we have provided, it will accordingly return you a result. So in this way, you can chain multiple map operations and you can create a stream and apply the logic as per your requirement.